gonna get started on our mint lime cucumber mojito. We have a cucumber vodka here. We have our cucumber slices, our lime slices, and our mint is gonna be fresh. I'm not a bartender, so please don't make fun of me. I'm just gonna go for it and see where it goes. Right now we have a little bit of stevia to go with our mint that we're gonna muddle, and then we're just gonna go for it. And here we go. The mint in. Got a little stevia. Let's make our stevia, maybe about a teaspoon to a tablespoon. Really depends on your preference there. So just please bear in mind that stevia is not quite sugar, so it's not gonna quite taste the same, but it's just there. So it's as a replacement for sugar if you're on the keto diet. If you're not, then you should use sugar. Add a little bit of ice. And what are you feeling back there? A little double shot? Double shot. A little bit of lime. And we have our club soda. Just add a little bit of club soda. A bit more lime on the top. Let's add a little cucumber pieces in there just for a little garnish there. And let's get our sexy mint. Bam. And that's looking good. Let's make one more for our little camera girl back there so that we can have a nice little drink to top off our successful weekend. All right, guys, thank you for joining me in Kay's Corner today. I had a wonderful time, made a few wonderful dishes here. We have our hors d'oeuvres, starting with our deviled eggs, our spinach dip, and then our main course, which is our garlic parmesan and lemon wings. Not to mention we have a little chef's kiss with our mint mojito lime thing that we got going on. It was delicious. I'm a little bit buzzed from it, so please forgive me. But I had a great time. Please enjoy our future content. We're gonna bring you these mini series, and go Rams in the Super Bowl. Hope you guys enjoy watching, and here we go. Don't mind us. We're gonna go eat and enjoy ourselves. This is from the 80s, by the way. It was LA Rams, True Bit.